others, you are going to join us on WhatsApp number 0703 27 82 31. So Mto Online has come here to simplify all your problems in mathematics. I'm Mr. Kegari Bioma, back to join me on a topic, set theory, which is under the theme of set theory and probability. Today, I have come to guide you to go through about set theory. A set theory, it is not the first time for you to hear about sets. We have been studying sets since P3 up to where you are right now. But today, we are going to look at a set in details. And we are going to know what is a set. We are going to know what is a set. A set is the collection of items, comma, elements, and objects. So we can collect items. For example, we can collect items like books, cups, and so on. It can be objects like metals or elements. Well, and so on. So we can look at even types of sets. Types of sets. So which is not new to you, that most of you know the types of sets. For example, can talk about a union set. Union sets. Can talk about universal sets. We can talk about complementary sets. Set. We can talk about intersection sets. Sets. We can talk about empty sets. And so on, and etc. As all those ones you have been looking at them. But our major issue today is to look at two categories of sets. That is the two-diagram set, two-diagram set, and the three-diagram sets. These are our two major concerns today. So these two diagram sets and the three diagram sets, it is our major concern today. As we are going to start with the two diagram sets, where they can ask you only the two diagrams. For example, when someone illustrates like that, and this is where we are going to have our two specimens to describe what these two sets a diagram two sets are. We can say that Mr. Ali and Mr. Tony, Mr. Ali and Mr. Tony, so that Mr. Ali eats mangoes and Mr. Tony eats ripen or it's ripen yellow bananas, as you are going to see them here. So these are two people. This is Mr. Tony, who eats yellow banana, and this is Mr. Ali, who eats mangoes. So now, as I'm going to illustrate it here, I'll be coming as I illustrate, you are going to be seeing here under this diagram. As I'll be taking you under this diagram. So, if this is Mr. Ali, this is Mr. Tony. These are two people who eats different specimens. Now, here, only here, these are people only who eats mango only. Then this one is where only they eat yellow banana only. So here, this Mr. Tony eats only yellow bananas, only does not eat mangoes. He eats only yellow banana. Then here, Mr. Ali eats only mango only. Then this one, here it means that Mr. Tony eats Mr. Ali intersection Mr. Tony. It means that here, these two people eat all these two specimens. Here, Mr. Ali eats mango and yellow banana. Even here, Mr. Tony eats also yellow banana and mangoes. So these two people here, they eat all these two specimens. But here, everyone eats only one only. For example, as I was telling you here, that now here, where you are seeing XX, it means that Mr. Ali eats only. Here, where you are seeing XX on the diagram, Mr. Ali eats only mangoes. Then where you are seeing a shaded part, where there's Mr. Tony, it's only yellow banana only. Then where you are seeing here, where there is T, those people there, those people there, they eat both mangoes and the yellow banana. So those two diagrams, that's in simplest way, that's how things are going to move on. So I've simplified, because they are going to ask you, since this topic contains two, that is set theory and probability theory. So they can ask you, what is the probability What is the probability of the people who eat only one type of fruits? Because those are fruits. They say, what is the probability of the people who eat only one type of the fruit? So, only those people who eat only one type of the fruits, you are going to add here x plus this shaded part. These are only people who eat only one type of the what? The fruit. Don't only bring this one or only that one, but you have to add this plus that. Those are only the people who eat, say, one type of the what? The fruit. Then those ones who eat all the type of the fruit is this one, the intersection. So those ones, they are the one who eats the intersection. Then those ones who can be outside here, or there, or there, or there. Those ones, they don't eat at all among the two fruits. So those ones, they dislike all those two fruits. So with that, we are going to look at the example. We are going to look at the example, as we are going to see.